This video is going to be about, did it with my phone too. It's going to be about the mountain and the waterfall that I've been working on here. Just giving it a little color. I actually got this idea from a guy on YouTube, Big Al Monster Railroad, and he was using it for something different. But this is all great stuff. Foam in a can. You can see it up there. Chicken wire behind it. And the whole thing is just a big bunch of great stuff. Then I put some cardboard. You can't really see good back here. I put some paper. Kind of keep it. Hold it in. Sprayed it on there. And with some help from somebody that's a better artist than me, come in and start carving on it. And we've carved it into this, which I think has turned out pretty good. It's just a bunch of great stuff foam. I'm starting to build my waterfall. I want to see what it would look like, so I went on and cut some off. And that's what it's going to look like. I'll use the realistic water down at the bottom and paint all that. Put moss all over the place. One of the things that I really like about it, just here, I like the way it looks. And the train comes through. I had these guys waiting on the helix over here. Don't notice I don't have my front rails on, but yeah. So when I was doing that, because it's coming through the helix, right underneath the tunnel, I've got a re-railer that then immediately goes into this helix, the back side. The helix is cut. I did a 22-inch radius, and you can see I'm not much of a craftsman. I did my best. It seems to work, which I guess that's all that matters. Since I'm not part of a club and nobody cares, so I'm happy. Mostly I'm happy with the way that mountain turned out. You can see up here in the top where got a little bit more sloppy with it compared to down here. Things are pretty nice and higher we go. I threw some color on it, but it's still a work in progress. Nothing's glued down at this point, it's just kind of sitting there. That is the waterfall.